Gear up for a day of endless water fun, thrilling rides, and exhilarating experiences that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Aqua Planet Clark is the newest and largest water park in the Philippines. Built with over 38 water attractions and rides, Aqua Planet promises to provide fun summer memories for everyone. Let's take a closer look at some of the park's top attractions. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to HG Virtual Tour channel to stay updated on the latest adventure tours. Now let's start. Number 1. Experience the ocean at the Boogie Bay and Wave Pool. The Wave Pool and Boogie Bay are one of the most popular attractions at Aqua Planet. The large pool generates waves of up to 4 feet, creating a fun and exciting experience for guests. The wave pool is designed to simulate the experience of being in the ocean, with waves crashing against the shore and currents pulling swimmers in different directions. While on Boogie Bay, visitors can opt to ride inflatable boards and experience a simulated ocean with waves. Number 2. Brave the storm at the Hurricane Slides. The Hurricane Slide features a steep drop and a series of twists and turns that simulate the feeling of being caught in a storm. The ride ends with a splashdown into a pool at the bottom of the slide. The Hurricane Slide is suitable for visitors who are looking for a thrill and are comfortable with heights and high-speed rides. It is recommended for adults and children over a certain height and weight limit. Number 3. Twist and turn on the Spiral Slide. The Spiral Slide is another thrilling ride at Aqua Planet that promises to get your heart racing. This high-speed slide sends riders down a twisting and turning path before plunging into a pool of water. The ride begins at the top of a tower where riders climb to the starting platform. Once they reach the top, they're treated to a stunning view of the park before being sent down the slide. The Spiral Slide features several twists and turns that will have you screaming with excitement as you zoom down the slide at high speed. Number 4. Defy gravity on Super Bowl water slide. The Super Bowl at Aqua Planet is a thrilling water slide shaped like a bowl. Riders experience weightlessness as they twist and turn through the slide's circular motion. Suitable for all ages who are at least 4 feet tall, the Super Bowl is a must-try attraction that's sure to provide a memorable and exciting day at the park. Number 5. Take a relaxing float on the Wave River. The Wave River at Aqua Planet is the perfect place to kick back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. This slow-moving river winds its way around the park, giving riders a chance to take in the views while floating in the water. The Wave River is designed for all ages and is suitable for those who want to take a break from the high-speed water rides and enjoy a more leisurely activity. Riders can either float on their own or grab an inflatable tube for added comfort. Before we continue, we'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Simply click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be alerted when we post new videos. Now let's continue. Number 6. Safe and fun water play at the Orc Lagoon. The Orc Lagoon at Aqua Planet is a dedicated area for young children to enjoy safe and fun water play. It features water slides, splash pads, and interactive water toys that are designed to keep young children entertained for hours. The Orc Lagoon is perfect for families with young children who may not be old enough or tall enough to go on the larger water rides. The water slides in this area are smaller and more gentle, making them a great introduction to water slides for young children. Number 7. Surfing at the Flow Rider. Aqua Planet's Flow Rider offers a thrilling and enjoyable experience of simulated surfing. The machine is adjustable, so riders can choose the wave size and speed that suits their skill level, making it an ideal activity for beginners and advanced surfers. The Flow Rider is also supervised by trained lifeguards who ensure the safety of all riders. It is one of the park's most popular attractions, and visitors can expect long lines during peak season.
Number 8. A fun and exciting water slide at the Octopus Racers. The Octopus Racers is a multi-lane water slide that features twists, turns, and drops that are sure to provide a fun and exciting experience. Riders slide down the slide on specially designed tubes and are splashed with water as they make their way to the bottom. One of the unique features of the Octopus Racers is the multiple lanes, which allows riders to race against each other and add an element of competition to the experience. Number 9. An adrenaline-pumping water slide at Aqua Loop. Aqua Loop is a high-speed water slide at Aqua Planet that provides an adrenaline-pumping experience for visitors. Riders begin by standing in a capsule, which then drops out from under them, sending them hurtling down a vertical slide. The Aqua Loop features a 360-degree loop, which adds an extra element of excitement to the ride. Riders experience weightlessness as they go through the loop before being shot out into a splashdown pool at the end of the slide. Number 10. Get ready to be swept away by the Tornado Ride. The Tornado is not for the faint of heart. This thrilling ride starts with a steep drop that will have your heart racing. Once you reach the bottom, you will be taken on a whirlwind journey through a giant funnel. The ride is designed to simulate the sensation of being caught in a real-life tornado. As you spiral around the funnel, you will experience moments of weightlessness, sudden drops, and sharp turns. If you're a thrill seeker looking for an adrenaline rush, the Tornado is definitely an attraction you won't want to miss. In addition to the aforementioned top attractions, Aqua Planet provides cabana rentals for large groups and families who want to have a more comfortable stay in the water park. Rentable lockers and food shops are also available for added convenience. Thanks for watching this video about Aqua Planet's exciting water slides and attractions. We hope you enjoyed seeing some of the fun and thrilling experiences that the water park has to offer. Whether you're looking to ride the waves at the wave pool, brave the storm on the hurricane slide, or experience weightlessness on the Aqua Loop, Aqua Planet offers a variety of attractions and activities that cater to all visitors. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. We hope you enjoyed exploring the sights of this wonderful destination with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to HG Virtual Tour for more travel adventure.